Ready? Put the seat belt on. Good job. High five. Halo semuanya, ketemu lagi dengan kita sekeluarga. Kali ini kita mau ke Adelaide. Kita mau nonton racing, mau ketemu neneknya Tommy, dan sekalian jalan-jalan. Ikutin terus ya. Jangan lupa di subscribe, like, and comment. Tommy, look at mom. Tommy. Oh, look at this flower, beautiful. It's nice flower, a lot. Berhubung di Adelaide itu lagi musim dingin, jadi bunga-bunganya itu sangat cantik. Gitu, ini bunga di depan rumah neneknya Tommy. Tuh, kalau di Darwin kita nggak ada bunga seperti ini karena kita beda cuaca. Tommy seneng banget lihat bunga.
I say I want one.
Let's go have a look. Let's go there. Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
I love this flower.
Yeah.
Let's go. Pretty.
This one.
Which one?
Nothing.
Pretty flower. Careful. Tommy. Tommy. Inas. Here, more bird, Tommy. Tommy, look. Tommy. Look, lots of birds here. There. Go. Stop bossy around here. Ini adalah hari pertama kita nonton speedway. Ini speedway itu berlangsung untuk 3 hari berturut-turut. Jadi hari pertama kita nonton ini seru banget.
Alex Lima 3. Carl Thompson starts on series leader. Thompson makes the move on McElrath now.
Watch this one here, the number 2 on the number 12. McElrath, oh, we've gone down. Tatum and he has gone down. That forces McElrath to take the outside line. Yellow flags flying, they're up again.
You don't have to see from the camera.
Alright, the signing lap, Joe. Here's another thing we're talking about. The idea of the signing lap is just to give these guys a little bit of a look at the track. It's been a hot minute or two since they've been out here, hasn't it?
Yeah, absolutely, Cam. I had a warm up this afternoon for SX1, but it's been a few hours. It's part of the rule book. It's part of Australian Supercross. These riders go out and they take a slow lap. They get to check it out.
Might get the job done, but Mossy's going to go across in front of him. Works for the inside. So Joey Savacci, race leader, number 4 is Luke Cloud. He's in front of the place. Third is the 102 of Matt Moss. Right behind him is the number 9 of Aaron. Now Brett Metcalf lost in a battle here with that leader. Oh, Adelaide, he's doing it there. 24 and 24.
But it is pounding down the laps now. I really appreciate the studio Yamaha Force Ranger rider of Matt Moss. Moss is actually catching Luke out right now, Cam. And we haven't seen Mossy move forward all season long. With the fastest rider on the track.
Take the front end off Thompson's bike. Not going to happen at the moment, but we have a trio of guys inside in second, Joe.
Brody Collins going to go inside that. Brody Collins shots it behind on Thompson.
McElrath queued up there as well, and he's going to return the favour. So Cole Thompson in the flicker of a heartbeat. Into the action from the outside.
HLC Honda 1, 2, and 3. The last lap launch out. Can Brody Collins get the job done?
New Zealand versus America versus Canada. Then we got Reed Taylor. We barely even started about him. Only great race in 4th place. Brody Connolly now, last time through his Yamaha Wood. Here comes McElrath again. Is he going to get the drive like he did last time? McElrath not close enough. Brody Connolly with great drive. McElrath on the dive bomb. Oh, they know they both double out. Connolly, McElrath to the outside. Connolly controls the inside. Oh, is McElrath close enough? He does the inside. Wow, and that's all I can say, Joe, is wow, what a race. Greenheart racing by the Honda boys.
Right timing says that Jack Brown got the win by outright. Joey Savacci's getting around on Luke Cloud. Leads them trying to make a move and get up to that zone. That's Quadlock Honda and Team Wilson is checking it out right now.
They're going to have to do a big mistake there going into that. That allowed Joey Savacci to close up on Luke Cloud. Now Luke Cloud just making just a little bit of a gap there. Look at Savacci, the speed into that rhythm section. Savacci
behind his wheel. They're both down.
They're both down. Meanwhile, this is making every post a winner here for the number 1. Of Dean Wilson, he has got a fair gap at the front. Now second place becomes Jed Beaton's inherited. Third place is Aaron Tansey. 4th is Brett Metcalf. How about that name, ladies and gentlemen?
It's one disastrous, Cam, for Joey Savacci's title chances. Luke Cloud is up and Joey Savacci has just got going in 10th last year.
He's just
He
tired.
is catching on the 30th. Other question, Cam. Luke Cloud is coming through the woods right now. He's currently in 7th position, and he has got a lot of work to do to make up any more ground.
Right at the very back here is still Joey Savacci. He's looking to make every post a winner. Then we've got Kyle Webster, Aaron Tansey, Jed Beaton, Brett Metcalf. Oh, to the front there, Dean Wilson makes the pass on Hayden Melross. Into the woods, they stack up. Savacci has to check up a little bit. They both missed that one Hayden Melross does, I should say. You're going to go to the inside there. Savachi can't make it happen. Hayden Melross has gone from 3rd to 4th in a heartbeat here. Meanwhile, it's Dean Wilson versus Joey Savachi up.
On the backside. Goes from the forecast side. Bring that top back. Not in your eyes, getting that how much further on the field than Luke Cloud gets back up.
Yeah, hasn't had a lot of luck tonight, Luke Cloud. The first one was good, but he's been chasing ever since then.
He's got bad blood with number 9 of Aaron Tanny, other than Dylan Wills. It's the number 4 of Luke Cloud, so it's going to be very interesting to see what Cloudy can do. Contact between Luke Cloud and Aaron Tanny.
The 14 on Job Jed Beaton. He goes to the inside now. Carl Webster's going to make that one stick. Webster and this is still leading Jed Beaton for the last spot on the podium. Aaron Tanty is right behind him now. He gets by. Aaron Tanty gets, so Jed Beaton gets by Carl Webster.
Cam is the last lap, and Joey Savachi, I'm sorry to interrupt, Joey Savachi with 1 lap to go. He's right on the backside of Dean Wilson now.
Wilson through the second last turn. Keep your eye, it's the 1 versus 17. They work their way down the grandstand straight. Can the 17 make a pass? He's got 2 corners left to do it. Come on, Edward, get on your feet. Make some noise. What a spectacular night's racing. 1 more corner to go. The number 1 of Dean Wilson lights the candles and gets the job done. Dean Wilson. Moto number 4, Joey Savachi wins the overall.
Aaron Tanny goes down. Carl Webster and Matt Moss somehow stay up. That was a 3-way sandwich in the turn before the triple. And Luke Cloud somehow stays ahead of Hayden Melross. Oh my goodness.
Selesai hari ini. Agak lama, Mel.